Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is understanding patch management. So let's get started. In the modern digital landscape, the security and stability of systems are pivotal for the operations of any business. One critical aspect that plays a significant role in this regard is patch management. To comprehend patch management in the simplest of terms, think of it as a mechanic routinely inspecting and fixing your car to ensure it functions smoothly and safely. Just like a mechanic applies patches or fixes to your vehicle, IT professionals apply updates or patches to software systems. These patches help to correct errors, improve functionality, and most importantly, plug security vulnerabilities. Without regular patching, systems remain exposed to potential hackers and cyberattacks. In an ever-evolving technological world, the battle against cybersecurity threats is never-ending. Hackers and cybercriminals are always on the lookout for new vulnerabilities they can exploit to breach systems, and thus, ensuring your system is up to date with the latest security patches is critical to stay one step ahead in this cybersecurity race. Often, software vendors will release updates or patches to fix known security flaws. Think of these updates as reinforcements for your cyber defenses, patching up holes in the fortress walls that hackers could potentially exploit. Without these reinforcements, you are leaving your system vulnerable to known preventable attacks. This is where patch management tools and systems come into play. Their role is much like a vigilant guard, constantly scanning for new updates from vendors and notifying you about them. The process includes steps such as monitoring vendor websites, signing up for update notification, verifying downloads, testing patches on non-production system, documenting changes, and backing up production system before implementing updates. A typical example of patch management tool is Microsoft Windows Server Update Services. With WSUS, you can manage the distribution of updates that are released through Microsoft Update to computers in your network. It provides a unified way to distribute patches and reduce the complexity and cost related to maintaining your systems up to date. Patch management can be both manual and automated. In the manual process, IT professionals check for updates and then apply them to each system individually. While this method can be highly effective, it is also time-consuming and requires a high level of technical skill. Automated patch management, on the other hand, uses intelligent software tools to streamline the process. The tools continuously monitor the network for patches and apply them as necessary, even across multiple systems simultaneously. This approach reduces the chance of human error and ensures all systems are updated promptly. For example, consider a network of 100 computers. In a manual patching scenario, an IT administrator would have to individually inspect and patch each machine, a time-consuming and error-prone process. In contrast, an automated patch management tool could simultaneously scan and patch all computers, significantly reducing time and effort. Understanding the terminology is also crucial for effective patch management. Common terms used include hotfixes, service packs, and patches. Hotfixes. These are software patches designed to fix specific problems or vulnerabilities. They are often released in response to critical security flaws that need immediate rectification. For example, if a software bug was enabling hackers to access confidential user data, the software vendor might release a hotfix to address this specific issue. Service packs. Service packs are a collection of updates, hotfixes, and patches that have been tested thoroughly before being rolled out. Service packs are generally installed on all systems due to their comprehensive nature and extensive testing. They are like taking your car for a major service where multiple potential issues are addressed at once. Patches. Patches are updates that fix coding flaws or vulnerabilities in software. They are generally more thoroughly tested than hotfixes. For instance, a software company might release a patch to fix a programming flaw that was causing the software to crash. One of the greatest advantages of patch management tools is their ability to generate compliance reports. These reports provide insights into the patch status of the network system, such as which patches have been applied and which are still needed. This ability is crucial for maintaining a secure and stable IT infrastructure. Moreover, patch management tools can either automatically or manually apply approved patches. This level of flexibility allows IT administrators to control the patching process as per the organization needs and priorities. Patch management tools also help maintain system stability by allowing for rollback if an update causes issues. If a patch leads to unintended consequences, administrators can use the management tools to revert the system back to a prior state, minimizing disruption and downtime. In conclusion, patch management is an essential component of any organization's cybersecurity strategy. It ensures that your systems are up to date, secure, and working at their optimum level. As technology evolves and cyber threats become more sophisticated, having a robust patch management system in place will be crucial in maintaining a strong defense against potential attacks. Whether manual or automated, the core objective remains the same: keeping systems updated and secure. So remember to stay vigilant, regularly apply patches, use effective management tools, and always stay one step ahead in the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos, and if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.